guns, grenades, blockchain, Arsenal 3D.
Welcome to this video reviewing the Web3 game called Arsenal. Arsenal is a first-person shooter multiplayer game developed by Fabwelt Studios. The game presents a very similar vibe to the popular Counter-Strike game, and it is fully integrated with blockchain technology. It utilizes in-game NFTs as assets, collectibles, and utilities to sustain the ecosystem. This play-to-earn game is integrated in such a way that attracts everyday players as well as professional players around the world to get crypto incentives and have fun. The game is fully available to play on desktop, Mac, Android, and web, with iOS coming in the first quarter of 2023. Since development in 2021, Arsenal has undergone many patches, updates, and improvements to give players the best gaming experience possible while maintaining a healthy blockchain ecosystem. These updates can range from map changes to weapon changes and even NFT utilities. As a play-to-earn Web3 game, Arsenal rewards players in crypto called Welt when they play the game. Players can either play against their friends in a private match or against other players around the world. The Welt token is available for trading on Bitmart, PancakeSwap, QuickSwap, and BitTrue Exchange. Players can earn Welt in so many ways. By simply playing the game and earning points, players can earn 1 Welt for every 150 points. Points can be earned for completing different objectives or performing certain activities during a game. Players can also earn massive Welt rewards from Fabwelt tournaments. Players can even add up to a 10x multiplier to their earnings when they stake their Welt tokens. In-game NFTs, which would normally be used to amplify gameplay, can also be traded on the NFT marketplace, serving as another means to make profits on Arsenal. To get started with Arsenal, players would need to head over to the official game website and download the game client on their computers or download the APK file for mobile players. Once the game is fully downloaded and updated, the game can be launched. When Arsenal is launched for the first time, players would need to either log into their Arsenal account or register for a new one if they don't already have one. Once the account is open, player stats will be visible and the main menu of the game can be accessed. On the main menu, players are able to find already existing matches or create their own. There are also constant tournaments available for players to join and earn huge wealth rewards. NFTs can be browsed and in-game assets are also available for purchase. Players can also form clans and see their worldwide rankings. Now, let's see what the actual gameplay of Arsenal looks like. Overall, Arsenal is one of the few Web3 shooter games that has attained this level of fluidity in its gameplay. little to no lag, and sufficient frame rates for smooth gameplay on all platforms. These are a few things that make the game stand out. The game has fantastic ratings and won the Blockchain Game Awards of 2022, and being available on almost all gaming platforms, including desktop and mobile, is a huge plus for the game. I personally see Arsenal do very well in the near future, being able to attract even more users and have more interesting tournaments with bigger crypto rewards and more partnerships from companies. The community is very active with lots of gamers interested in supporting the project long term. You can read all about the Arsenal game and learn about its technicalities like the tokenomics on fabwelt.gitbook.io. You can also follow the Twitter accounts for more updates and become a part of the Telegram community to meet like-minded people interested in Web3 blockchain gaming.